Did you know that the first 30 minutes after you wake up determine the course of your entire day? Most people wake up their bodies, but forget to wake up their brains. And that's exactly why they live tired, unproductive, and stuck on autopilot. But today, you will learn a 30-minute routine based on neuroscience that activates the brain, increases focus, and transforms your productivity, even before breakfast. And the best part, you don't need to wake up at 5 in the morning, nor become a machine. It's pure science, applied in real life. The mistake that leaves you mentally blocked. The first thing 8 out of 10 people do when they wake up is look at their phone. It seems harmless, but when you do this, your brain is flooded with artificial dopamine and information overload before you even understand where you are. Result, lack of focus, anxiety, and that feeling that the day has already started off wrong. Science calls this morning overstimulation, and the antidote is simple. Keep your phone away from the bed. This way, you give your brain time to truly wake up. The first 10 minutes, reactivating the nervous system. In the first 10 minutes, the goal is to activate the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decisions, focus, and clarity. Step 1. Natural light. Look at the sun for 1 to 2 minutes. This regulates melatonin and activates serotonin, which improves mood. Step 2. Cold water on the face. This awakens the vagus nerve, responsible for the healthy alert response. Step 3. Conscious breathing, 1 minute. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and exhale for 6. This sends a message to the brain. We are safe, ready to act. The next 10 minutes, activating natural dopamine. Now it's time to get your body moving. 10 minutes of light movement. It can be walking, stretching, or jumping jacks. Increase the natural release of dopamine, the motivation neurotransmitter, by up to 65%. And here's the secret. It's not about intensity. It's about consistency. You are literally teaching your brain that action comes before motivation. The last 10 minutes, mental clarity and direction. Now that the brain is awake and the body active, comes the most powerful moment, directing the mind. Grab a pen and paper, write down 3 things you are grateful for. Then 3 real priorities for the day. Not an endless list, but the essentials. This simple act activates the brain's reticular system, the filter that selects what really matters. You program your brain to see opportunities, not distractions. The difference between those who live on autopilot and those who awaken is not in talent nor in luck. It's in how you start the day. And when you take care of your brain in the first 30 minutes, the rest of the day organizes itself. Now the choice is yours. Are you going to keep waking up to your phone, or are you going to wake up to life? To wrap up your 30 minutes, spend 1 minute in complete silence. No phone, without stimuli, just breathing and presence. The brain needs breaks to consolidate what it has learned and balance the limbic system, responsible for emotions. This minute can be the most powerful of your day, because it is in it that you realize you are not the chaos of the world. You are the commander of your mind. The difference between waking up and awakening. Everyone wakes up, but few awaken. The difference between living on autopilot and living with purpose lies in how you start the day. And if you apply this routine tomorrow for just 30 minutes, you will feel, in practice, that life does not change with great revolutions, but with small daily rituals that activate the brain and align the heart. If this video made you understand that you can take control of your day even before getting out of bed, subscribe now, because in the next video, I will show you how to maintain this state of focus throughout the entire day, even amidst the hustle, notifications, and distractions. Remember, you don't need a new day to change your life. You need to start the day the right way. Activate your brain, transform the morning, change your life.